Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see and discuss about the various Facebook ads metrics which we get to see on the platform. So let's have a look at this, guys. So on the Facebook ads account, there are various metrics you will get to see, and it becomes very important for us to understand and know the meaning of these metrics, because only then we will understand what's happening in the account, how our Facebook ads are running. So knowing their definitions becomes extremely critical for us. So let's have a look at these, guys. These are some of the most common metrics you will find on the Facebook ads account. So the first one which you will see is impressions. Impressions basically means the number of times the ad appeared on the Facebook network. So as we know that when our ad goes into the auction, if it wins the auction, that is when it becomes eligible to appear on the Facebook network page. So when the ad appears on the page, the Facebook ads account records it automatically in the account as an impression. So when we log into our Facebook ads account, we will be able to see how many impressions did we receive so far. So it becomes a critical data to monitor as well when we run Facebook ads. The other information, the other metric which you will get to see is link clicks. Link clicks are going to be the number of clicks which an ad receives. When a user clicks on the ad and lands on our website page, that is what is termed as link clicks in the Facebook ads campaign. This is also getting automatically recorded in the account, guys. And when you log into your Facebook ads account, you will be able to see this data as well. In the same manner, we also have CTR or link click-through rate, wherein Facebook says that this is a metric which tells us that out of the total number of times our ad was shown, how many times did we receive any link clicks? So this tells us about how our ads are performing. So when we are running Facebook ads campaign, we try to make sure that we have a high CTR, because that will give us an idea that our ads are relevant and people find it relevant enough to click on it, and that's how they reach our website. So maintaining a high CTR becomes a big performance metric for us to have in the account. So you can also say that it is a ratio between the impressions and clicks which we are calculating. So here as well, Facebook calculates this data and automatically records it in your account so that you can have a look at it and you understand what is your CTR going on right now. The formula which Facebook uses for this is clicks divided by impressions into 100. In the same manner, there is budget. Budget is going to be the amount of money which we are willing to spend on the Facebook ads campaign. So as we know, in the Facebook ads campaign, there are two different levels at which budget can be set. So we can do a campaign level budget, which is called campaign budget optimization, where we set an amount at a campaign level so that that amount can be used across all the ad sets which are there in that campaign. So depending on how the ads are performing in these ad sets, the money gets utilized according to that. If there are certain ad sets which are ads are performing really well, then most of the money gets utilized there and rest of the money gets distributed to the other ad sets. The second level is wherein you can set budget at an ad set level as well. So here you allocate a dedicated budget for every single ad set, and now that is utilized by the ads in them. So this is the amount of money which we are investing, we are putting into the campaign to run our ads. And this is going to be an average amount. And as we spoke, this is going to be at a campaign and ad group level. Similarly, guys, what we also have is amount spent. Amount spent is primarily going to be the actual money which is getting spent on running our Facebook ads. So once our ad starts running and it receives clicks or impressions, based on whatever objective we have chosen in the campaign, the Facebook account, they will charge us for those clicks and impressions. So this is the actual money which Facebook charges us for running our ads. Similarly, what we also get to see as a metric is cost per result. So once we start running our ads, it is important for us to also make sure that we are getting the results or the output or the conversions at a decent cost, because that would make sure that our campaigns are economical, profitable for the business. So in such a situation, we can use a cost per result is one of the metrics which shows us what is the average amount of money are we spending right now for the result which we are looking for. So this gives us an idea whether the Facebook ads campaigns are expensive or economical or not, or their ROI is, we're getting a better ROI from it or not. So this particular metric shows us what is the average money we spend on every result. Similarly, guys, we also get to see cost per link click, which is the average amount of money which we are spending on every link click. So depending on the option, Facebook changes our bids in the option system and tries to pay the optimal bid required to win that option. So the bid varies. And now if you average it out, you get to know your cost per click over here. So this again becomes an important metric to monitor, because when we are running ads with Facebook and we are spending money on advertising our product, it's also important for us to know what is the average money we spend on every click, because then we can compare its performance with other ad platforms which parallelly we might be running. So this way we understand whether the Facebook ads advertising cost is economical or not. In the same manner, if you look at another type of metric you will see in the Facebook ads campaign is CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions. So this is the cost which we are willing to pay for showing our ads every 1,000 times. So there can be a lot of campaigns which we might run for branding and awareness purposes, where our objective is to show the ad as much as we can, because that will bring in more branding awareness of it with the users. So in such a situation, we would like to pay only for showing our ads. And that is when we can use this metric, which is CPM bidding, which shows us how much are we spending on showing our ads every 1,000 times. And then comes another very important metric, which is results. Results is basically the conversion or the sale happening on our website. Once people click on our Facebook ads and they land on our website, what do? They purchase a product from us, they fill up a form, they sign up for a newsletter, register for let's say, a subscribe to a channel or download an app. So when users do business with us, that is what we define as a result. So this particular metric tells us how many sales we generated, how many leads did we generate. So all that kind of information we get to understand from here, which is basically conversions. Another important metric which we use in Facebook ads campaign is going to be purchase ROS, which is more related to revenue. So there can be a lot of businesses who are running Facebook ads primarily to generate revenue. Mostly like e-commerce businesses who are selling tangible products, they would like to know that by using Facebook ads, how much revenue did they generate? And that is when we can use this metric, which is purchase ROS, which shows us that what is the amount of money do we generate on every dollar we spend on Facebook ads. So ROAS, which is return on ad spend, basically calculates this, that what is the revenue are we generating on every single dollar which we are spending. So this metric shows us that particular information. So with this, we get to understand that what is the returns are we getting from the Facebook ads campaign, and has been the Facebook ad campaign been successful for us for our business or not. And then another metric you will see in the account is going to be reach. Reach is the number of Facebook ads accounts we're able to reach to show our ads. So basically the number of users on the Facebook network whom we are reaching out to show our ads. This metric shows us that data. So this gives an idea that how many people are we reaching and showing our ads to, so that gives an idea that whether our campaigns have been successful enough or not. So these are some of the common metrics, guys, which you will be able to see in the Facebook ads account, and you will be able to understand what's happening in the account and how the account is performing. I hope this makes sense and now you understand these metrics. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.